Take your 80-volt power everywhere with the RYOBI 80V power source. Use any RYOBI 80V battery with this inverter for 1,000 watts of convenient portable power anywhere you need it. Monitor your battery status and wattage output with the LCD display. The pure sine output is safe for small appliances and sensitive electronics. Secure the inverter to your battery with the included adapter plate for easy transport. And bring 80-volt power with you, even in remote locations. When rough weather strikes, stay prepared. Connect the inverter to your mower's charging port and tap into all the batteries of your RYOBI 80-volt riding mower during a power outage to keep your home charged up and comfortable. It's all the power you want, without the hassle or noise from gas. Exclusively at the Home Depot.